The Envizi Emissions API helps suppliers meet the growing demand for transparent, accurate emissions reporting. Here's how the Microsoft Excel add-in makes reporting simple, accessible, and seamless. Priya is a sustainability manager for a food processing plant in India. With their growing client list of food brands, Priya is responsible for her organization's emissions reports. And with the increasing pressure to disclose Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions, they need a fast, flexible, and reliable emissions solution. Priya's reporting includes emissions data across facilities, vendors, and logistics partners. The problem is, the team calculates that data manually, meaning reports often use outdated emissions factors. This faulty logic can often lead to reporting errors and inconsistencies. With Envizi's Microsoft Excel add-in, Priya can directly calculate emissions using verified, up-to-date factors from sources like DEFRA, IPCC, and region-specific datasets. Priya needs to calculate the emissions the plant gives off. Let's look at how Priya uses the add-in to streamline and simplify her workflow. Once she signs in, Priya navigates to the plugins section. From there, she downloads the Excel template and installs the add-in to start adding activity data. Priya uses the appropriate formula to add her activity data to the template. She enters the fuel type, quantity, and location. Using the Envizi Emissions API, the add-in auto-calculates emissions using the most up-to-date factor. Priya follows this simple process to calculate all of her organization's emissions, ensuring accuracy and flexibility across all reporting. For now, Priya can reuse this logic for all her vendors and systems. As her organization scales up its decarbonization and sustainability reporting, her team can seamlessly integrate these calculations into Envizi's robust reporting tools. Priya's team gets faster onboarding, sector-specific templates, and access to licensed emission factors, all without deploying a full platform. With IBM Envizi, you get tools that help you report smarter, act faster, and build a more sustainable future, one calculation at a time.